Hello all, today I'm going to show you the basics of Sony Vegas, almost like the must know of Sony Vegas. Okay, the first thing you need to do is bring in your clip. Okay, let's just watch that quickly. That's just me standing still and then I eventually start to walk. Okay, now if I want to bring an effect into that, I watch the video, then pause it when where I want the effect to be, then go video effects, choose the effect you want, let's say some blur, bring the blur down, and now here's your blur. We can watch the video. Okay, let's not watch it now because it's a waste of time. And you can see now it's blurring through the video. Now I wanted to unblur somewhere, so then I would stop at the place I wanted to unblur. Let's say when I start moving there, then I take the settings here and I just bring it down. Not unblur. Okay, now let's just watch that again. You see blur, it's blurring now. Then it slowly comes back to no blur, and I start moving just as I planned. Okay, let's just add another effect just to show you again. Okay, let me just take lens flare. Again, drag it onto your clip. Okay, now you got this funny looking thing. Once again, it's all about your timeline. The lens flare will start there, as you can see in the video. If I move it around, look, it's starting there. So I wanted to start there and then slowly move somewhere else, so then I make it there, and as you can see it's indicated in the timeline that I moved it. Then you just go on and you stop it where you want to stop it and then move it again. Okay, let's watch that. As you can see, I did all this now by myself. Okay, that's the basics, like you have to know Sony Vegas, and that helped me a lot when somebody told me about that. It just, then once you know this, you just have to play around with the different effects, and then you'll soon be editing good videos. Cheers.